Christus was Christ.
Yeah, and then other person replying. Hello guys, and welcome to our new vlog. This video, as you can see, is starting in the kitchen, which means I'm gonna share a recipe with you. Tomorrow is Easter Sunday, and I decided to show to you one of the Russian traditions that we used to do at home. I've never done this recipe before because in Russia there are tons and tons of places to buy this type of thing, but unfortunately in the Netherlands it's just not an option, so I decided to turn my creativity on and cook it. Today I'll be showing to you how to cook Russian Kulich, which is basically a cake that we always eat on Easter, so on Sunday. And it's a really interesting recipe that contains cottage cheese, which is in Russian and other Slavic languages is called tvorog or tvarog, as you can see here, because I bought it in the Polish supermarket, and it is made in special forms like this. I bought 5 because I'm planning on succeeding with this, but let's see how it goes. And if everything will go well, I'll also bring it to work and get some opinions from outside of my family. But let's start this recipe. I will do a little voiceover so you know at all times what I'm doing. Let's start. The recipe for kulich is not that hard, especially if you have a hand mixer. First things first, in a bowl add eggs and mix them well. After that gradually add sugar. By the end the mass should become way lighter and fluffier than it was before. After that add a little melted butter and continue mixing it until well combined. When the mass becomes thicker, start adding cottage cheese or tvorog and mixing everything properly again. Now the only thing left to do is add dry grapes, flour and baking powder, and fill the forms with this wonderful gooey dough. Put it in the oven for 180 degrees and voila! In Russia, when people meet each other first time on Easter, there is 2 phrases. One person says one and other person has to reply back. I'm gonna teach you the easiest one, okay? You say Christos воскрес.
Воскрес.
Yeah.
Christus воскрес.
Yeah, and then other person replying воистину воскрес.
Christus воскрес.
Воистину воскрес.
No.
Kulich.
Kulich.
This name is Kulich.
Да. Good morning guys, happy Kingsday. Today Netherlands.
Yeah, you can see by our dress up that today is Kingsday. We are dressed up a little bit of orange and Netherlands colors. Today we have a lot of things planned. We're gonna go Den Haag, check there, but also here in Leiden there's gonna be concert and we're gonna eat some delicious steak. So stay with us and we're gonna show you
Everything
King's
for
Day
you,
celebration.
yes.
The sun didn't rise when it said that it would, and you didn't call when I knew that you could. Come to rely on the light from your eyes to get me through the dark. But the sight of summer gray was never meant to fill the space between our scars. So I'll blame the weather and I'll blame you. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, 'cause I had this feeling down in my bones. You left me to face the clouds alone. Jungle. Had all that I can take without you. There's a shadow I can't shake. I blame the weather and I blame you. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Jungle without you.
This year we decided to spend the majority of King's Day in The Hague, and we did not regret it. After wandering around the city a little bit, we joined the crowd of orange and went to Kermis, a local name for a fair. It was colorful, fun and loud, and we loved every single thing about it, which is a reminder that not every King's Day should be about drinks and hardcore partying. Sometimes those silly little moments are much more valuable.
One is you knew when the rain fell like tears and the thunder broke my heart. So I'll blame the weather and I'll blame you. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, 'cause I had this feeling down in my bones. You left me to face the clouds alone. Had all that I can take without you. There's a shadow I can't shake.
Hello guys, we are on our way to dinner, and now we're gonna show you a little bit aggressive
Wow,
King's Day. But first we're gonna go eat some steak. I can be a diamond and everything you want.
Baby, you just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell that perfume, the makeup on your shirt. You don't believe his story. You know that they're all lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the kind of woman to serve everything. Wrist full of diamonds, hand full of rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you.